Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with a tight, balanced stance and a protected chin. Get your hands up and relax the shoulders. One set, practice tiny head slips 1-2 inches off center. Move from the neck, not the hips, so you keep balance. Make sure to exhale on movement and keep your eyes on the opponent. This preserves vision for counters. Repeat 10 slow reps each side, then increase speed while maintaining the same small amplitude to build muscle memory. You now connect head movement to offense. After a slip to the outside, step slightly and fire a 1-2. After an inside slip, throw a hook. Once done, practice cadence, slow, fast, slow, to control rhythm and bait shots. Make sure to keep the chin down during punches and reset your guard immediately. Work with a partner or double-end bag to train timing. Increase tempo only when slips remain tight. This builds defensive offense so you're evasive. You finish by chaining movements into 3-minute rounds, flow, slip, roll, step, then counter. Once comfortable, film from front and side to check head displacement and guard recovery. Small is better. Make sure to breathe and keep feet active so evasions don't cost you position. If you find your balance or vision breaking, slow the drill, shorten the movement range, and correct foot placement before increasing speed. Troubleshooting: when off balance, reset stance and repeat slow reps until stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.